Hello everyone, welcome to our next video on Simple AI with Python and Colab. And today we will do the search in video. It's a very close future when you will type a text into a search field, find me in my video file, first appearance of airplane. A neural network will turn it into images of airplanes and look for them inside your video. And will say, okay, minute 45 there is an airplane first appearance in your video. But today we'll focus on a core part of search and video. We'll try to find an image inside a video stream, okay? First we have to pre-install FFmpeg, which is super hyper mega monster of media processing. This done, we will import necessary modules. We will use HTML and Base64 to play video inside Colab, Pyplot and image to process images, and OpenCV will be our searcher. Okay, next I have a video, elephant MP4. This is a beautiful video of baby elephant playing around his parents, and we open it, read from it, read a binary string, turn it into ASCII string, Base64 encoding, and give it as a source for video control. Let's play. And there will be a ball, second 23, when a ball first time appears in this video. We will try to look for this moment. So I have this ball. To simplify the story, I cut it out in advance. It's the same ball, you see brown waters around it. So we will have this image and try to look for it, first time appearance of this ball inside a video stream, okay? How do we do it? We take our video file, split it into frames, and we do the search, look for this image inside each frame. So it's really searching in image, not in video stream, because video stream is a sequence of images, okay? We do this with FFmpeg. We just have to create a folder named frames. Okay, frames. Next we run this cell and it will turn our video into a number of PNG files, and this signature means that each file will have a 4-digit name, 4 symbols. Okay, it's going. We will have approximately 2000 PNG files. Let's take a look at, for instance, number 22. Okay, there is a baby elephant. And next we run a loop, and inside a loop we take each separate frame, each separate PNG file, and we use our ball image and we use match template to look for our template, which is a ball inside a frame, inside all the separate images. It builds a heat map, and heat map is really a picture with probabilities, where most probably the left upper corner of this sub-image inside bigger image is. And wherever probability is higher than 0.9, we stop the search and we print out frame number and we print out the timestamp. Just we divide frame number by frames per second rate. And we draw a red rectangle around the found sub-image. Okay, let's run. It will be pretty fast. Okay, let's go, man. Come on, heat map. Match template, 12 seconds. Okay, frame number 692 and second number 23, we have this ball found. Okay, so it's exactly the same moment as it was here, okay? So this is exactly how to search in video. You split it into frames and process each frame as a separate image, looking for a sub-image inside it. Well, it's not that cloudless with long videos, because it will take a hell of time. And with long videos you will have to take, for instance, 1 frame out of 10, 1 out of 30, and you will probably have to reduce resolution to to be very fast, and you will have to turn to neural networks because they work faster, they work with GPUs, but generally idea remains the same. Okay, so thanks for watching, thanks for being with me. Subscribe to the channel, subscribe to www.simpleai.net. See you, bye.